Welcome to my channel. Global Car. If you're passionate about cars that blend rugged heritage with modern capability, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more auto insights every week. Today, we're talking about the 2025 Toyota Land Cruiser Prado, a model that brings back the classic charm of the old Prado with a fresh, modern twist. Toyota has taken inspiration from the past while pushing forward with technology and design that feels right at home in 2025. This new Prado keeps that boxy, muscular look that made the old versions legendary, but it now comes with a sharper face, squared-off wheel arches, and a more refined grille. It's clearly built for adventure, but now it looks even more confident doing it. Under the hood, the Prado now shares its platform with the 300 Series Land Cruiser, offering improved off-road performance, better ride comfort, and increased torsional rigidity. Engine options vary by region, but the 2.8-liter turbo diesel with mild hybrid tech stands out for those seeking both power and efficiency. Inside, it's a huge leap from the older models. You get a much more modern cabin with a large touchscreen, updated infotainment, and better use of space. Toyota has really listened to its loyal fans by keeping the toughness but finally updating the tech. Whether you loved the older Prado or you're discovering it for the first time, the 2025 model captures everything that made it special and makes it even better. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe for more deep dives into the world of SUVs and 4x4s. See you in the next one.